Hey everyone, thanks for joining Cooking with TK. Today, you guys, I am going to prepare these delicious honey hot wings for you guys in my video. So, let's go ahead, you guys, and let's get started with cooking us some delicious honey hot wings. Go ahead and hit that notification bell. And 1, 2, 3, let's go. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you are going to wash your chicken wings off. And to wash your chicken wings off, you are going to add some salt. And you can add vinegar as well. The salt helps to clean your wings, okay? So, got the salt added. And I am going to just rub my chicken in here. And all that crud is going to come off of my chicken wings, okay? See all that nasty stuff that's in this water, okay? That's cleaning the chicken wings, okay? That's gonna be our first step. And make sure you get it good. Rinse your wings about 2 or 3 times for the cleaning process of your wings, okay? Okay, so now I'm gonna take my wings and I'm gonna dry them off in this pan, the paper towel, okay? You want your wings to be dry. You don't want them to be moist, no moisture on them, okay? So I'm laying them like this so that this, all the water can dry my wings, okay? You want your wings to be dry because that's how it gets a good coating and everything sticks to it, okay? So just place them on the paper towel or regular towel, hand towel, like so. Take this paper towel, okay? And I'm gonna dry it off like so, like this, okay? Okay, so I have my oil heating up. I'm gonna heat this oil up to 375. Okay, now for the seasonings that I am going to use, everyone, I am going to put some onion powder. Okay, I'm going to use some onion powder. Okay. Wings, okay. This is Nashville hot chicken seasoning. I found this at Walmart in the seasoning section. Okay, so I'm gonna sprinkle this Nashville hot chicken seasoning. Okay, this is gonna bring some spice and kick to it. Ooh, I didn't mean to pour that much out, but I'm gonna sprinkle that around. Okay, I'm gonna use me a little black pepper. Just a little, not a lot. Okay. We're gonna use some paprika just to help with the color. Okay. I'm gonna use some salt. Yes, we're gonna put some salt on here. Just a little, not a lot. Okay. Salt. And of course, we are going to use just a little bit of baking powder. Just a little bit. Okay. And also, I'm going to use just a little bit of soy sauce. I'm out of Worcestershire sauce, okay? Just a little bit. Okay, because y'all know soy sauce can be salty. Okay, so that's that. I'm going to mix this up. You guys, mix my wings up. Make sure all the seasoning is all over my wings, okay? Like so. I know this is going to be really, really delicious, y'all, okay? And that baking powder is what's going to help the seasoning stick and a little crisp to it, okay? Okay, so I'm going to test to see if my oil is ready. I'm going to put one wing in just to see if the oil is ready, okay? Okay, that's ready, okay? So let me go ahead and put the other wings in. Amount that's able to fit in here. I can get one more in on the side, I believe. Okay, so let's go ahead and drop them on in. Okay, and we're going to fry these wings until they are done. Okay, so after 12 minutes of cooking the wings, they are ready. I like mine crispy, so that's why I cook them for 12 minutes, okay? I'm gonna pull one out so that you guys can see, okay? See how pretty that is? That's after 12 minutes, okay? So let's go ahead, and I'm gonna place them on a cooling rack. My wings, okay, because I don't want them to get soggy. Okay, this is the first batch. I'm going to put the second batch in next, okay. These were some big wings, okay. See how crispy that one is. Ooh wee! I know these are gonna be good. They're gonna be hot. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna use some Sweet Baby Ray's buffalo wing sauce that I have here, but I'm gonna add me some things to it to get it to my liking, okay? So we're gonna pour some of that in there. I don't need to pour all of it, okay? Then I'm gonna add me some of this honey. These wings are gonna be so delicious. Thank y'all for joining Cooking with TK. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put me some honey up in here with this sauce. Yep, like so. Put me some honey, yeah, up in this sauce. Then I am going to add me a little bit of brown sugar. Brown sugar. So I'm going to mix that together. Okay everyone, so as you can see, our wings are done. I fried them between 10 to 12 minutes. I wouldn't go over 12 minutes. I want them to be crispy, so that's why I fried them to 12 minutes at 375 degrees in my deep fryer. So now for my honey hot wings, I'm going to toss them in the sauce that you guys see me previously make with the Sweet Baby Ray's buffalo sauce and the honey. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's place our wings in the sauce. I only get so many in this pot. Okay. And this is how you can make you some honey hot wings at home. And I like spicy wings and I like them crispy, okay? See how crispy that is? Okay. So let's go ahead and let's toss these in the sauce. Okay. Let them sit there in that sauce for a minute. Let me see if I can get another one in there. Okay, everyone. So now I am going to plate my honey hot wings up so that you guys can see the finished product. Got all that on. Okay. I'm gonna sprinkle a little more of this honey over the top. It comes out very, very slow. Okay. And here you guys have it. This is how I make my honey hot wings at home when I can't go out to get me some, okay? Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And thanks for tuning in with Cooking with TK on how you too can make you some honey hot wings at home. Like I stated before, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave lots of comments down below. And stay tuned to my videos. Hit the notification bell. And join me next time for another awesome video. Peace. Have a great day.